Beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we'll be talking about how to apply SEOs in any video to help you go viral. Now if this is something that you're interested in, just keep on watching. You might be asking yourself, what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. Why is this so important, you might ask? This is how audience do search on YouTube. So you head over to when you go to your search bar and you enter the topics that you're looking for, that's activating the search engine optimization. Now this is where your title come into play. For example, if a viewer goes to the search bar and they type in how to start a YouTube channel, once your title has those keywords within it, how to start a YouTube channel, anything along that line, then your video would appear as one of the options that the viewer would have to choose from. It's very important that you have a detailed title and something that is searchable, relatable to what an average person would be looking for on YouTube. You have to make sure that your title has the keywords of the stuff that you'll be providing within the content that you'll be providing within your video. You have to make sure that the title and the thumbnail also have those keywords in order for the viewer to know this is the video that I've been looking for. It is also important for you to place those keywords within your description as well. So within your brief description, you put the keywords how to and YouTube growth, starting a YouTube channel. You make sure that you have those relatable keywords to your topic and title as well. Along with the tags, you have to make sure that the tags also have those specific keywords that relate to your video, your title, your thumbnail, and your description. It's very important that you have the same keywords within each of those, just to make sure that YouTube have enough information to know what your video is about and who to push your video out to. It's also important for you to share your channel on other platforms, so it gives you more audience outside of the YouTube community as well. Engaging with your audience in the comment section is very important. It's very important for you to engage, let your audience know that you are this friendly person who they can come and ask questions. This helps YouTube to know that your audience are interested in the topics that you're covering, the content that you're producing, which makes them push your video out to even more further to more persons on YouTube. Now this is very important for you because your engagement plays a really important role in you growing your channel. The more you engage, the more YouTube push your videos out, and the more persons likely to subscribe to your channel, like your videos, and watch other videos that are related to that one once you have a specific niche. Make sure and check your analytics. Make sure that your videos are performing well. If they're not performing well and you know that you have a good quality content with great information, then you might have to go back over the first few steps that we covered. Check your thumbnail, check your title, check your description. Make sure the keywords are in each and every one of them multiple times, and you're very specific in your description about what your video is about. And try and identify and improve your optimization strategy, because sometimes what you think might be working for others probably would not be working for you. So try and implement the four steps that I just mentioned and see how they would work for you. Try and switch things up a little within making your content to make it a little bit more interesting to viewers, and stuff like that. On your as you grow, you improve your content. In the comment section as well, your audience would engage and let you know certain things that they like and dislike about your content. They will also ask you questions which might lead to you having more ideas on videos to make in the future. So just pay attention to your comment section, pay attention to your audience, and apply all of the advice and opinions that they might give, whether positive or negative, because they just might impact your channel in a very good way. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed that video and it was super informative for you. Don't forget to check out my other ones about how to build your YouTube channel. All of the YouTube essential videos are vital to growing your channel. Don't forget to check out that playlist. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.